Ooh, Estes. We both like Labradors and tool cart modification, right? Because we did one of these videos already. Now, tool cart modifications part 2. You ready, Charlie? Are you ready? Hi, Henry. Let's go.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
So last video, I mounted this vise on top of the tool cart, and a bunch of you said, hey, this should be on a stronger piece of metal or a piece of wood. So you had like a working hard top and more structural strength than just the thin steel of this thing. So here's my idea. I made a really cool kitchen island, and I saved the spare butcher block. And if I can get it out of here, it's gonna go there. I have a leak in my roof somewhere over there. I gotta figure that out. 1.5 inch butcher block. This should be pretty nice. But I forgot a key thing. The bolts are in the basement. So I'll take the girls inside. Ready, girls? And we'll get the bolts. I make about 4 or 5 trips per video doing this, so welcome to my world. Come on, let's go. Big ice storm here, and then wind and rain and snow, to the point that this afternoon while I was getting ready for the show, I'll show you how I had to walk from the garage to the house. For the sake of this video and you and my head, that's why I'm wearing this. Almost fits. I just need to cut the front here. So I want the finished edge that I already had in the front here. So I've got the bolt holes for the vise here, right? How do I get them here? This new device called a pencil. So I'm gonna go under here and mark those. That one doesn't fit. Welcome to my world. I have a solution. Make the hole a little lot louder, wider. So learn from me, I ended up making how many trips to the basement and then finally the hardware store, because I forgot that I had to add the depth of this, the depth of the vise, and then getting up under here. But anyway, life is not perfect, neither is GardenFork. So these will work. So once I got the vise bolted in, I thought that this butcher block really wasn't gonna go anywhere, but just to make sure, I put in 2 screws on this side here, sheet metal screws, little pilot hole into the metal. So that's a great addition. I like that. Right here, wasted space. Quite a few people made a great suggestion. Wait for it. Big magnet holds, magnetic toolbar. Oh, there we go, that's a little better. Okay, this on here, really simple, watch. These are self-tapping screws. You might know about them, but if you don't, they're like a sheet metal screw with a drill bit on the end. So instead of having to drill a pilot hole and then put this in, take an impact driver and go right in. I don't think you need a giant cordless drill. What are they called? Cordless drills, yeah. I'll link below the kit that I have. I really like them. I'll link below all the tools we're using below the video. You could have several. I got one, but you could have 1, 2, 3, maybe? Nice. Put this through here, like that. This goes right there. Hold your cart. Spin that up. It's a little off. Does that bother you? I'm not sure if it bothers me. You'll feel better now, don't you? And then this just goes on, and then your tools go on. I love that kind of thing because I'm a visual person. If it's in a drawer, if it's in a box, I don't know it's there. If I like to see everything, and we're going to talk about that when I do some more garage organization. But it's there. I can grab it. It's a beautiful thing. I know I said there were 3 tips today, 3 mods to your tool cart, but I had an idea about a 4th one, so stick around to the end. I'll show you a 4th one, okay? So we're gonna be running some corded power tools while we're working on our portable cart, right? What do you think about a power strip? Like, right there? Yeah. These are really cheap mounting holes, I think, so here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, don't disconnect it, just peel it apart like that. So again, with our self-tapping screws, nice. Well, this should go back on. I thought it would go back on. This is gonna take a minute. Why don't you go watch the Labradors while I make that work. These roll all over the place, especially screwdrivers. And most people think, oh, I gotta go to the special tool store and buy the special foamy stuff, drawer liners that they sell that go under there and keep that from rolling, right? But this stuff, custom cut, this is pricey, basically. But I have a solution. This is $8, and it's a lot. And it, with a little bit of trimming, we're good. Oh, didn't stick. But I intentionally wanted the wood surface because when I'm gonna cut stuff like this, instead of like pulling a piece of cardboard, I mean, it's a butcher block. We're gonna butcher it, is that the word? Anyway, it's cuttable, is that the word? Yeah. The yoga mat likes to curl like this, so lay the curl out like that, okay? Slide this in, and they no longer slide. How cool is that? You want to spend some more time together? There should be a video or 2 floating right here. Another one of my toolbox mod videos here, and probably some other cool thing. We can spend some more time together. So I'll see you in the next video.